Take a ride in the 2019 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power lift gate, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, navigation system, leather upholstery, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.